How to get a PIN for Milestone Credit Card. Let's get started. The very first thing you can do is check your card information. Look through the welcome materials that came with your Milestone Credit Card. Often the information regarding how to set or retrieve your PIN is included there. Next, you can call the Milestone Credit Card customer service number, which you can find on the back of your card. Inform them that you need to set or retrieve your PIN. The customer service representative will guide you through the process. They may ask you for the personal information to verify your identity. Likewise, you can log into your Milestone Credit Card account online. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register for one. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or security settings section. There you may find an option to set or change your PIN. Some credit card issuers allow you to set or change your PIN at ATM. Check with Milestone customer service if this option is available for your card. Occasionally, issuers may send PIN setup instructions to the mail for security reasons. If you haven't received such mail, contacting customer service is the best step. By following these steps, you can get a PIN for Milestone Credit Card. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.